Hello everyone, welcome to Qondle Technology. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to use ChatGPT for content ideas in seconds. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Qondle Technology. So let's get started. You know that using ChatGPT for content ideas in seconds can streamline your creative process and help you to stay inspired. So now I'm gonna show you some structured with some points along with example prompt. So let's go. Number 1. Specify your content type. By defining your content type, ChatGPT can provide tailored suggestions that fit your format and audience. Example prompt: give me blog post ideas for a website focused on personal productivity. Let's check the answer. ChatGPT will provide you the best answer. The next one, number 2. Narrow down the topic. The more specific your topic, the more targeted and useful your content ideas will be. Example prompt: generate video content ideas for a channel about sustainable fashion for beginners. Let's search it. Here is your best result. You can find the best result from ChatGPT. And the last one, number 3. Ask for trending or seasonal ideas. Asking for ideas tied to trends, events, or seasons can help ensure that your content is timely and relevant. Example prompt: suggest content ideas related to mental health awareness for World Mental Health Day. Here is your best result. So, with the right prompts, ChatGPT can quickly deliver content ideas that inspire and align with your goals. Experiment with different angles to keep your content fresh and engaging. I hope you like this video. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.